Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Christmas Day Get Ready With Me. So I primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows off camera, and so now I'm just going in with Necessary from the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors Friendcation palette and just popping this in the crease. Next I'm going in with this Mirabella Visionary eyeshadow in the shade Imagine and popping this on my lid with my finger. This has a really moussey texture, so that using your finger just works best with this. I feel like using a brush won't really work well. Now I'm going back in with the Friendcation palette and popping Just a Kiss on the lid. And then once I get that on the lid to how I like it, I'm going back in with Necessary and just blending the crease out a little bit just to make sure everything's neat and the eyeshadow is done. Now moving on to lashes, I am just curling my lashes with my mascara, my eyelash curler, and then I'm going in with my lash primer, my L'Oreal one that I love, and then I'm going in with my Maybelline Luscious Fin Effect mascara. And then I'm going in with the CoverGirl So Lashy Mascara. I hated this when I got it, but I have been loving it lately. So now moving on to the face, I'm going in with my Catrice Light Correcting Primer Serum and just popping that on my face and blending it out with a Real Techniques sponge. Sorry that I'm looking away. I was watching New Girl while filming this. I've been loving that show. I just started it on Netflix. I will leave a link down below for my winter foundation routine explaining like why I use certain sponges and all that fun stuff. So next I'm going in with this Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears highlight. Sorry I didn't show the name. I don't know. I was having a hard time showing products. But anyway, I'm just putting this where I would normally highlight and then again blending it out with the Real Techniques sponge. I did not show this step in my foundation routine that I filmed uploaded a couple weeks ago. I just started recently doing this and I've been really liking how it's been making my foundation look. It just really makes my foundation look really dewy and just adds that glow from within. I was really nervous about this product when I first received it, but I've been really liking it actually so far. Next, moving on to foundation, I'm using my BH Cosmetics foundation and the Physicians Formula Oil Boosting, Brightening Boosting, I don't know what it's called, but I'll leave it down below. I mix those two together. I'm just putting the foundation on my face and blending it out with my Eco Tools sponge. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face. So I'm just doing my cheekbones first, and then I'm going to move on to the forehead, and then my jawline and my neck. And then I really like this bronzer to really like contour my nose. I didn't really do a good job today when I did this, but when I normally do a good job, I really like how it looks. And I use a Beijoy angled brush to do this. I just feel like it looks really good. I don't know. And then I'm also going to contour my lip as well, just a little bit, just to make it look a little more full. Now I'm going in with my Rockateur blush from Benefit. And then I'm going to mist my face with my Mario Badescu spray. And then for highlight, I'm using Mary Luminizer from The Balm. I'm just putting this on my cheekbones and my forehead and my cupid's bow and my chin. And then for my nose, I like to use my finger and then go in with this Morphe brush just to like get any excess off. Also highlighting my brow bone with this and my inner corner. Then I'm going back in with my Mario Badescu spray just to mist my face, and then using a sponge just to set that highlight and melt it into the skin. Then for lips, I'm using the Illuminate Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Paris, and I told you guys I was going to use this in my haul. It is a really gorgeous red, perfect for Christmas. I love how it looked. The one thing though, my one complaint was that this feathered so bad by the end of the night, and I kind of looked like the Joker by the time I got home. So that was my only complaint, but otherwise this red is stunning. I love it. And that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!